Why hello there, I'm maybe Zoe, that's my main channel, and this is my PO box. Anyway, Stardew Valley series, yippee. Hello everyone, it is I again, maybe Zoe, and today it's the, oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god, why am I calling my computer a laptop? Old habits never die. Okay, so this is the 5th day of summer, year 1. Do we have... Yes, we gotta do a deliver for Pam. We gotta bring her a carp. I don't know why I just watered a single one. Excuse me. Sometimes my brain is not braining at all. I love this soundtrack. Concerned Ape managed to really embrace summer within the music. Like, I can feel hot. Not as in pretty, but as in the heat from this. It's hot, it's escaldante. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Keep water. Whoa. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sleepy. Today is the second day of 2026. I slept like shit. Okay. Sleep was not good, but that's also because I stayed up like reading stuff and then checking memes. Don't do that. Respect your sleeping hours. Respect your sleepy. Oh my god. The water disrespects me. Let me see. I have... Do something that I've been ignoring here. I have, in fact, been ignoring this. Here we are. You. Oh my god. Why are you here? Okay. I want some fiber because fiber good. Fiber gives me money. Oh yeah, I now have a silo. This is great. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Fantastic. Okay, let me see stuff. Inventory full, what do you mean? I don't like this inventory full thing. How dare you? How dare you? Okay. Plan is simple. I sell. Did you get that? I think you got that. I'm gonna keep these. Oh yeah, I can plant these. Nice. Okay. Now I water. Where is my... I am a bit slow today. Okay? Please forgive me for my not so criminal crimes. Yeah, I didn't see you. Sell. Keep. Now, let me see. I gotta bring Pam the carp. What else? I want... Oh yeah, steel. I want a new pickaxe. Where's my iron? Have little iron. Why do I have little iron? I need more furnaces. Why do I have so little? So little. Why so little? We have the eggs. Mayonnaise on an escalator. It's going upstairs, so see you later. Okay, so you go back. I am not making any more furnaces because I can't. I don't have enough materials. Let me play it. So sleepy. Can I bring this? Yes. Is the artisan Oh my god. Another one. Thank you. Another one will be completed. Okay. I think we need a barn. Do I have enough for a barn? I'm not sure. But we'll figure it out together. Hooray. I think I do, actually. Damn. Wait, I'm gonna sell these. Great. You can see it, but I'm actually like dancing, vibing on my seat here. Oh my god, good thing he did not see that. I almost looked through the trash. Oh no. Okay, where is Pam? I think Pam is in the vehicle. Oh no, Pam is going to Georgia. Pam, are you going to Georgia? Oh my god, Pam, get your ass back here. I have your carp. Pam! No! Sorry. Here. Carp to Pam. Yay! A ticket for me. Thank you. Okay, what's next? What's next? I'm gonna try and get the puffer fish. Dun, dun, dun. Ba, 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 ba. Oh my god, pretty shell. Hi, Haley, my love. Oh, Haley greets you because Mayu noticed that she's wearing her grandma's bracelet. Oh my god. Oh my god. So fancy. Get the hell out of here. I envy you. I envy your pretty hair. Give me the Lux bait. I am Pebble. I am Pebble. Damn, that's a lot of money for a shell. Get the hell out of my fishing spot. Will we get a puffer fish? Maybe. That is not a puffer fish. If I don't get a puffer fish within 5 tries, I'm gonna give up. This is second try, by the way. This is not a puffer fish. What is it? Tilapia? Red snapper? Red snapper. Your fishing tackle has worn out. Shut up. Number 3. Is this the puffer fish? I don't think so. Tilapia? Oh, it's a tuna. Is this the puffer fish? Hello? Is this the puffer fish? This is not the puffer fish. This is my last attempt. Not a puffer fish. I know my fish, and this is not a puffer one. See, called it. Oh my god. Is this like the Haley's bracelet? Perchance. Okay, I sell. Can I get a barn? No, I think Robin is gonna be at the salon in like a second or two. But hey, doesn't hurt to try, does it? No, it doesn't. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, 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 boom. Boo, 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 boo. Get the hell out of here. Do, 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 do. No, no, no. I wanted to buy things. You can't do shit around here anymore. Also, let me ask my friends if we're watching Wicked today. Wicked de hoje? Ah, não, pera, o áudio não tá gravando. Wicked de hoje? Wicked de hoje? Wicked de hoje? There, I asked my questions. Questions have been asked. Answers are yet to be provided. What is this? A bad! Purple pinstripe bad. So lame. Okay. I wanna be I need a drink. Need a drink. Yeah, she just said so. Sashimi. I know Sebastian loves sashimi. Sebastian, get a look at this. Yeah, I know you love this. Basic bitch. Yes, I'm gonna place the bad right here. As if I could. Dun, 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 dun. Here. Yes, I know you like salad. Bam, ba, 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 bam. Everyone, I don't want to talk to none of you. Bum, ba, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Dum, 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 dum. Where's the song? No, you want song. Why no song for Snowy? Where the iron? Here. Let's keep the stuff here. Mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise for Snowy. I'm gonna start cleaning the farm yet again because you know me, this is my design. I don't need all of these weapons. I'm gonna sell them later. 7 days to mature. It's taking way too long. No, I don't care about my alarm. Shut up, alarm. Tree. Tree. Thinking about the videos I have to edit. Thinking about the things I have to record. Many things will happen in the Many Things factory. Oh yeah. Shut up. This is an illusion. I will not let society rule the way I live. This is a bunch of lies. Bunch of lies. Sorry. Sometimes conspiracy gets to my soul. But you wouldn't know the feeling. More. Yes, this is gonna be a very short episode because I'm sleepy as fuck. I didn't even make money today. Oh. Best professions. Stardew Valley. I only trust that one short. I only trust this lady. I see. It's Stiller. Ha ha ha. Everyone, you know the drill. This was it for today. Maybe Zoe out.